हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम एडवोकेट जया शिवा। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है क्रिमिनल ब्रीच ऑफ ट्रस्ट। इससे पहले कि हम आज का टॉपिक शुरू करें, I'd like to inform you that before this I have made many more such videos on different topics, different interesting topics like adverse possession, widow's right on deceased husband's property, maintenance of wife and children, maintenance of senior citizen act. So in case if you have already seen my video and you think that these videos will be helpful to somebody, please do share with them and do like my videos if you like them, and do subscribe to my channel for many more such videos. So let's start. So criminal breach of trust as defined in Indian Penal Code is whoever being in any manner entrusted with property or with any dominion over property dishonestly misappropriates or converts to his own use that property, or dishonestly uses or disposes of that property in violation of any direction of law prescribing the mode in which such property is to be discharged, or of any legal contract, express or implied, which he has made touching the discharge of such trust, or willfully suffers any other person so to do, commits criminal breach of trust. So if you would read it thoroughly, this definition of this section, you would understand that there are four major components of this section. One is breach of trust, second is entrustment, third is property, and four is criminal misappropriation. So as we just like defined the four important components of this section, I'd like to explain these components in detail. So breach of trust means that the gist of offense of criminal breach of trust is dishonest misappropriation or conversion to one's own use. So if you have entrusted your property to someone and he is converting that property for his own use, or trying to misappropriate the property, trying to dispose this property off without any legal authority or without the authority of the person who is the actual owner, then he will be covered under this section. Second important point is entrustment. Before you accuse somebody of this criminal breach of trust, it should be very important that you have entrusted the person with such property. What kind of property is covered? Both movable as well as immovable properties are covered under this section. Fourth is misappropriation. Misappropriation means that trying to cause the wrongful gain to yourself and wrongful loss to the actual owner of the property. So I hope this section I am able to define this section properly. And before concluding this video, I'd like to summarize the essential elements once again. The person, for this offense to fall under this section, all the four requirements are essential to be fulfilled. One is the person handing over the property must have confidence in the person taking the property so as to create fiduciary relationship with them, or to put them in position of a trustee. For example, if you have some clerk is there, or a manager of a particular position is there, or the trustee is there, so these all designation are providing them some kind of possession or some kind of authority on some kind of property. Second important point is the accused must be in such a position where he could exercise his control over the property, that is dominion over the property. Third point is the term property includes both movable as well as immovable property within its ambit. Fourth is it has to be established that the accused has dishonestly put the property to his own use or to some unauthorized use. So in order to charge somebody with the charge of criminal breach of trust, the most important thing that has to be proved is dishonest intention to misappropriate the said property. So I hope this video helps. In case if you have any questions, you can ask these questions in the comment box. I'll try to answer those questions as soon as possible. In case if you like my video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with the people whom you think would need this information and you would think that this video will help them. So my best wishes with everybody all over the world, and stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.